A drugstore foundation with a 30-hour wear? Hey pretty girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steph J, and today we are doing a foundation review. Today we're doing a first impressions of the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation on oily skin. Today we're doing a first impressions of the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. And if you're a woman with oily skin, hyperpigmentation, or dark spots, you're really going to be interested to see how this foundation performs. Let's get into it. Today we're getting into a foundation review of the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I've tried 2 other shades of this and it didn't work. The girls are saying it really is hard to match. Today I'm going in with shade 368. I did get the shades in PR, but I didn't get the right shades. So this one I picked up from Walgreens. This foundation claims to have a 30-hour hold with a Lumi Matte finish. I'm assuming that's dewy. I'm not entirely sure what Lumi Matte is. It's supposed to be a buildable full coverage foundation that lasts all day to give you a flawless base. This foundation claims to have up to a 30-hour wear. We're not going to test that today. We're only doing a first impressions, but it's supposed to be light as air. It's supposed to be buildable, and I believe it's infused with amino acids. It's also supposed to have all day shine control. And as somebody who has oily skin, I really want to see if this lives up to that. It's also supposed to be non-comedogenic, fragrance-free for all skin types and even for sensitive skin. Let's go ahead and give this a good shake and give you guys a swatch on the back of my hand. I really hope that this one works. It's really liquidy, so I think it's going to be lightweight. Do you see how liquidy and runny that is? It blends out really good. Let's put it on. I'm not mad at this match. Compared to the other shades that I've tried, this is probably the closest match that I'm gonna get with this foundation. If anything, I might need to mix some shades. I'll go ahead and pop over when I previously tried this foundation over here, and y'all let me know. So I'm just gonna... It's a really lightweight. Honestly, it feels like I don't have anything on, which I really like about that formula. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foundation to this side of my face.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
I really like how this blurs into the skin almost instantly and is giving me a flawless, glowy base. It's beautiful. And as an oily skin girl, a glowy base isn't something that I typically go for. I typically like a matte finish, but this, my dear, is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. If I can build up this foundation a little bit more. So let's just add another pump of foundation. I want to see if it's going to make my skin look cakey or anything. Like the initial application, so lightweight, so airy. I think this is going to be a great foundation for the warmer weather, especially for the girls who don't like that caked up makeup feeling. This is going to be super good in the spring and summer. If you want skin but better, look at that. Gorgeous, stunning. And then this is where I applied the extra pump of foundation onto. So this side has 1 pump. I do have some hyperpigmentation on my forehead from a curling iron burn, hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, and it's all covered up. You really can't see anything, which I really like. I did not expect this foundation to cover up my dark spots just based off of how liquidy it was. But now this is something that's going to blend so easily. You're not going to have to fight with it. It's not going to be one of those foundations where you have to work really quickly with it because it gets hard. No, this one is going to melt into your skin.
Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. I don't know if you do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I do feel like the dry down is giving me more matte. I feel like it was giving me more dewy earlier, but right now it's really giving that matte finish. I still don't feel like I have any makeup on. I am truly in love with this formula. If you can find your foundation shade, please go ahead and pick this up because this is about to be a staple in my spring and summer makeup routine. Before we close out, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this makeup review. If you like videos like this one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with me and grow with the family. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.